Hi guys, it's Mariam, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to decorate 4 really cute puppy cupcakes. So to start, we're going to be needing 3 types of icing: white, brown, and gray, and these are just colored, and they're all fitted with a star tip. So the first thing I want to do is show you how to make this cute little white puppy. So we're going to be starting off with our white icing and a cupcake, and we're just going to start at the top of the cupcake and pipe a line of frost kind of going back and forth all the way to the bottom of the cupcake. Then we're going to take our icing and pipe 2 little lines for our ears and a little swirl in the middle for her muzzle. Then we're going to take some chocolate chips and use these. I'm going to use 3, 2 for the eyes and 1 for the nose. And I also use some of these circular, colorful sprinkles to give her a little flower. And I use a toothpick to put them in place. And we're done. The next one I'm going to show you is this cute little brown and white puppy. So we're going to start by piping little stars down the center of the cupcake. And we're going to have them branch off into a sort of a Y. And we're going to fill that in the center. It's important to make sure you're piping nice and even. Now we're going to take our brown and we're going to fill in our spaces. See how I'm pressing and then pulling up nice and quickly just to make our precise little stars. Okay, so now to make the ears, I'm just making a little rosette on each side for 2 little ears. And in the middle, I'm making a muzzle. So I'm pressing, going in a swirling motion, and then lifting it up at the end. Then I'm going to add my 2 chocolate chips for the eyes and 1 for the nose. And he's all done. Now I'm going to show you how to make this cute little husky puppy. So we're going to start off with our cupcake and we're going to pipe an oval of our little star shapes. And then we're going to fill it in with our gray. So all of these cupcakes are super simple, but we want to make sure we're nice and slow with our piping so it looks very neat. So once I fill it in with our stars, we're going to add our 2 little ears, 1 on each side. And then I'm going to add a little swirl in the middle for our muzzle. Then we're going to add on the eyes and the nose, and he's all done. Finally, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little poodle puppy. So we're going to start by icing a cupcake with a knife. We're just going to use plain white icing. And then we're going to take our piping bag and then we're going to give our poodle a little hairdo. We're just going to go around the edges of the cupcake, just kind of filling it in wherever you think it needs icing. Then we're going to put a little swirl of icing in the center for her muzzle. We're going to add on her nose and her eyes. And just to spice her up a little bit, I gave her a little red flower in her fur. And we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video showing you how to make these 4 adorable little puppy cupcakes. I hope you guys give them a try at home because they're super simple and really fun to make. You can experiment with the different colors. You can try making different styles of puppies. The possibilities are pretty much endless. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye!